is going to be a quick little update video. As you can see, this is my microwave. I'm going to plug this bad boy in just so that there's some form of light. I've had this microwave for 6 years. It's a little bit dirty. I thought I could clean it. The reason why I have this thing plugged in is, look at this. It's really, really bad. I've never seen a microwave look this bad before. So I will not be using this microwave anymore. Yeah. Not cool. Anyway, that's all the update I have for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and or subscribe to my YouTube channel. With that, this is Patches signing off. I will see you guys in the next video.